Guggen Barbecue here. Today we're going to be cooking over-the-top chili. We've got all of our ingredients ready. We even have some ground venison. I've got the pit up to temperature. So if you guys enjoy these videos, like and subscribe and stay tuned. This is going to be a really fun cook. All right, let's get all of our ingredients into the pot. First, we're going to start with the beans and the spices, the onion, the green peppers, and the corn. We're going to get that into our Dutch oven. Then we're going to combine our venison and our pork, and we're going to put that on the rack above the pot. We're going to start out with the tomato sauce, and I just have 1 can of 32 ounces of tomato sauce. We'll get that in our Dutch oven. Then I've got 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I've got some red kidney beans, and we're going to leave the liquid and all because we want some liquid in this. Got a can of pinto beans. Love pinto beans. Get that in there with all the liquid. And then 1 can of diced chilies. We're going to do, I don't know, about half a can of beer. We may add a little bit more just depending on how much liquid that we'd like. Then we got some really nice red and green peppers. We're going to add those in. And we've got 1 onion. And then we've got our seasoning mix, and I will link the recipe that I use. I kind of change it up every time. 1 pack of Mexicorn, street corn. Really, really good stuff. I love corn in my chili. Let's give this a good stir. Get everything nice and mixed together. All right, so we're gonna get that on the pit. We're going to combine our venison and our pork sausage now together and mix that up and put it into a nice big huge meatball, almost like meatloaf. So let's get that ready. So we're going to place the meat right above this pot. All those fat drippings are going to go in there while we're smoking this low and slow. It's going to be absolutely delicious. It's been about 3 hours. Let's check and see what the meat's looking like. Oh man, that's looking really good. Chili's looking good too. Sorry it's so dark out here. My cooks always seem to run so late. All right, let's pull this off the pit. Man, look how good that ground venison and pork looks. Look at that color, perfect mahogany color. The internal temperature of that meat is about 160 degrees. We've got our pot of chili here. I'm gonna break up the meat, add it to the chili, let it sit in there for a little bit, and I'm gonna let it cool down, and then we'll give it a taste test. Look at that color. That looks unbelievable, guys. If you guys haven't tried over-the-top chili, I highly recommend it. It's my favorite way to cook chili. It does require a lot of work, you know, you gotta fire up the pit, but it's just so much fun, just the whole process. And I just love cooking on an open fire. You don't have to follow this recipe, but I recommend trying this. Whether you have a pellet smoker, whether you have an offset smoker, or you have a Komodo Joe, whatever you have, try over-the-top chili. I guarantee you that you'll love it. And you don't have to use venison. You can use beef, or you can use other types of meat, whatever you like. And you don't have to follow this exactly. If you don't like corn, if you don't like beans in your chili, then omit those from the recipe. But I promise you, it's a really, really fun cook. Everybody who's tried this loves it. So we're gonna stir this up a little bit, and then we're gonna let it sit and cool off. Now it's time for our taste test. Oh my gosh, guys. It is always so good, and this time is no exception. Again, I really recommend you all try this recipe. It's so much fun to do, and it's so much fun to share with friends. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you guys have any comments, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. As always, this is Guggen Barbecue, and we'll see you in the next one.